the basic mathematical operation. We normally call the A, B, C, D problems. ABCD problems, these are problems you call anybody can do. Anybody can do. These are simple questions which you can do. He can do, she can do, they can do. So these are very, very simple questions to do as a primary school learner. Previous lesson we discussed on the whole numbers. Whole numbers. So we discussed about the place values, and total values. Place values and total values. I remember you know what the place values are. Place values, these are positional values or position of digits in the number. Position of digits in the number. And the total values, these are quality values or the quality of each digit in the particular number. For example, given this number 347, the place value of 4, it is what? Tens. So you say 4 is in tens. But the total value of 4, we say it is 40. Total value of 4 is 40. That makes the difference between the total value and the place value. Place value is talking about the positions of each digit in a number, while the total value is the quality of that digit in that particular number. So today in our ABCD problems, we are still in the same topic, to the whole number, the whole numbers, but we are going to discuss on numbers in words and also numbers in numerals. Numbers in words and the numbers in numerals. Questions like write the following number in words or write the following statement in numerals. Question like that. We are going to do them or to tackle those questions. The important thing to remember when dealing with numbers in words and numbers in numeral, Remember, this is a revision or revision. I know we have gone through the topics, so here we are revising. We said the basic concept to do the questions concerning numbers in words and numbers in numeral is the concept of the period. Period. The concept of the period. When given a number in numerals like 8, write it, 7, 43, 6, 2, like that. And I've been asked to write that number in words. Say, write in words. Now this number is written in numerals. Now asked to write in words or read that number. You can be asked to read that number or to write that number in words. If you can read that number, then you can write that number in words. The number is given in numerals. You are asked to write it in words. Before writing, you must read it, and then you write it. So the concept of period is that you normally group the digits from right-hand side to left-hand side. You group these digits from right-hand side to left-hand side. The maximum number of each digit in the group is 3. So you count 1, 2, 3. Put a comma. 1, 2, 3. Put a comma there. Then we have 3 groups. Now these groups have special names. Special names. These groups have special names. These groups have special names. And now these special names, we call them period. The period. The periods. 7, 6, and 2, these are in 100. Not hundreds, 100 period. And this is 1000 period. And this is million period. So we have the 100 period, the 1000 period, and the million periods. After grouping your digits in periods, then it becomes easier for you to read the number which is given. So the first step, you group the digits in the periods. The lower period is 100, the high period is million, and the 100 period, the 1000 period, the million periods. And now we have higher periods like billions, trillions, and so on. Now in primary school, the primary mathematics, we deal with the 100 period, 1000 period, and the million period. And these periods help us to read and write the whole numbers. You read and you write the numbers in words. And if also you are given the numbers in words, then you can write them in numerals after understanding the concept of the period. Now, in each period, we have the place values. In each period, there is place values. There is ones, tens, and hundreds. Ones, tens, hundreds, ones. So the maximum number of place values, or the maximum number of digits in each period is 3. Then we have ones, tens, and hundreds. Ones, tens, hundreds. Ones, tens, and hundreds. For example, in the 100 period, we have 7, 6, 2. We read this number 762. In lower primary, grade 3, grade 4, even in grade 2, you can read up to the thousands. So this reads 762. In the thousand period, we have 7, 3, 4. You read 734. 734. And in the millions, we have, 8. Now, combining the periods, we read this number as 8, because it is 8 million, 734,000, 762,000. 762. So 8,734,000, then 762. So we read 8,734,762. Now, the period occurs once in your reading. The period is read once in your whole reading. So cannot say 8 million, 7,000, 3,000, 4,000. No, it is 8 million. The million is mentioned once because it's the main period. Then 734, this one, 734. In which period? 1,000. So we read 734,000. 734,000. Okay? Then we put your comma or you pause, then 762. 762. Now, we read our number, then it is 8,734,000, or sometimes you can put 8M 734 TH 7H62. This will help us to read that 7M stands for the group of million, TH stands for the group of thousand, and H stands for the group of 100. Then you say 8,734,762. Then this becomes easier for you to read the numbers when given the numerals and asked to read the numbers. It becomes easier when you remember the period. Let me give you another example. Example given. 154,95492. 154,95492. How do we read that number? The first thing, you group from right to left. Maximum number of digits in each group must be 3. So 1, 2, 3, 2, 9, and 4 in one group, put a comma. 5, 9, and 4 a group. Again, we have 3 groups. The lower group is hundreds, the middle one is thousands, then the higher one is millions. Then you can write in short 15M 495 TH 492 4H92. Then you have shortened it like that. Now we read 15, it is 15. So 15,495,492. We read 15,495,492. That becomes very easy for you to read the numbers which are written in numeral. Now let me give you the exercise. Using your pencil and using your pen. Whenever you see it is mathematics, make sure you have the pencil. While using your pencil, you can use a rubber trap. This is learning, and then you can use a rubber to rub where there is a mistake to get the correct answer while we are marking a pencil and a notebook. Now, I give you exercise which you do in this particular period. With 8, 9, 9, 7, 7, 6, 7. Write the short form and use that short form to read. Write the short form. You press the M, the TH, and the H in this number there so that you can read it easily. Or apply the concept of the periods in this number and then read it. Another number is, just to give you 2. 5, 2, 3, 1, 1, 2. So I give you 2 minutes to write your answer and read it. Remember, you separate from right to left and then apply the short hands of 100 by using H, TH, H for hundreds, TH for thousands, and M for millions. Then you apply there, and then read the number. It's very simple, very simple. It's anybody can do it. You can do it. You can do it. Fear not. Just apply the H, the TH, and the M. You insert those periods in that particular number so that it can help you to read. Yes, I think you have already applied the periods. You have inserted the periods in shorthand, and you have tried to read. Now, how do we read this one? So we group. Let's go together. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So 8 M 9 9 7 TH 7 H 6 7. The second one, from right to left. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay. There are 2 periods. So 5, 2, 3, TH, 1, H, 1, 2. So how do you read this one? It is 8,997,762. Very easy. 9,997,767. Did you write like that? And did you read like that? If yes, then you have mastered that concept. Let's go to question number 2. After grouping, you get 2 groups. The group of 100 period and the group of 1,000 period. Then 5, 2, 3 TH, 1 H, 1, 2. We read 523,112. 523,112. So you can see 8 is in the period of million. 997 is in the period of thousand. 767. This is how we read the number when given that numbers in numeral. Remember, to group from right to left. Group your number from right to left. Maximum number of digits in each period is 3. So you count 3 digits from right to left. the higher period may have less number of digits, less than 3, but the lower periods always must have 3 or sometimes 2 in lower classes. But in upper classes, grade 5, 6, 7, the concept of periods help us try to read the number when given that number in numerals. So let us go to another subtopic in the same topic of all numbers. It is numbers in figures. When given numbers in words, then you are asked to write the number in figures. When given the number in words and you are asked to write that particular number in figures. Given a number in words and asked to write that particular number in figures. For example, you asked to write, the question says, write 158 million, right? 158 million 624 thousand 315. 315. So you asked to write 158,624,315 in numerals. Or sometimes can be asked to write in or in digits. Can be asked to write that in numerals or write that in digits. Remember, numerals and the digits means the same thing. You use now the 1, 2, 3 or 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, those 10 digits which we have discussed earlier. Okay, it is easy now. You just observe the million, the period of a million, period of thousand, and the period of 100. 158. 158 is 158. 158 millions. And 624. 624,000. 624,000. Then 315. 300, this is the 3, and 15 is like that. Now, what is our answer there? So you remove the M, the TH, and the H. Then it is 1, 5, 8, 6, 2, 4, 3, 15. So this is very easy now. So you read the million, it's the period, and the thousand is another period, the 100 is another period. There are 3 periods there. Then you insert the period 158 M, 624 TH, 3 H, 3 this one H, 15. So this will be very simple. Now you have seen that the use of the concept of periods help you to write the number both in numerals and in words. May God bless you. I will ask you to do practice, to revise, do practice, revise the ABCD. Anybody can do questions or problems. Love them, worry not, because perfect love will cast out fear so that you can do the best. Meet you next lesson. God bless you.